Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful product that's sure to spark your creativity, the 200 PCS miniature food and drink set. We found this amazing set online, and we've added the link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The set features 200 pieces of intricately designed miniature food and drink items, perfect for dollhouse enthusiasts or anyone with a passion for crafting. You'll find a diverse array of items, including burgers, French fries, cakes, milk tea, and even sushi. This collection is not just about quantity, it's about creativity and imagination, offering enough variety to inspire endless play and decoration possibilities. One of the standout features of this set is its high-quality materials. Each piece is made from durable resin and is hand-painted with exquisite detail, ensuring a lifelike appearance that's both eye-catching and realistic. This makes them perfect for dressing up your dollhouse or adding a special touch to any miniaturized scene. Plus, the hard material ensures that these tiny treasures can withstand the test of time, making them a great investment for your crafting projects. Now, who is this set suitable for? It's perfect for adults and teenagers who are into crafting, dollhouse decorating, or simply enjoy creating miniature worlds. Whether you're a seasoned miniaturist or just looking for a fun hobby, this set provides endless opportunities for creativity. It's also an excellent gift choice for birthdays or holidays, especially for friends or family who love arts and crafts. In terms of practical uses, the possibilities are vast. These mini resin food toys can serve as charming accessories for dollhouses, enhancing the overall atmosphere with their lifelike appeal. You can also use them as embellishments for mobile phones, picture frames, or even in miniature gardens. They make fantastic additions to DIY projects, from creating hairpins to sewing miniature ornaments. If you're into scrapbooking or want to add a unique touch to your stationery, these miniatures are a fun and versatile option. However, a word of caution, this set contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3 years old due to choking hazards. Always supervise young children when using these items. In summary, the 200 PCS miniature food and drink set is a fantastic way to ignite your imagination and enhance your crafting projects. With its lifelike details and variety of items, it brings a vibrant touch to any dollhouse or miniature scene. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or treating yourself, this set promises hours of creative fun.